Shalom and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it is Friday afternoon for me, and I am on a solo trip with Nemo, my 130, and Bo, my dog, is with me, and I am headed out to snow wheeling and snow camping. I have all the precautions. I have a Garmin InReach if I get in trouble. I've got people coming tomorrow that know the exact route that I'm taking that are going to join me. I am joining a group that's already at camp, and I've got all the provisions if I need to walk, a backpack just by me if I need to bail out of the vehicle, snowshoes, basically everything I need to survive. I wouldn't recommend doing this by yourself unless you have some wheeling experience and friends who are willing to come and rescue you. With that, I feel pretty confident it will be okay. So enjoy this episode. Should be a huge camp, lots of interesting vehicles, lots of people. So here, let the fun begin. I've stopped to air down and play with the dog a little bit. He loves it when I throw snowballs at him. Loves trying to get them. And I'm tearing down in the meantime. Okay, well, this is the part that can be a little tricky sometimes. I think it should be okay, hopefully. Try and talk, but I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear me. I made it through the part that I thought was going to be tricky and was totally fine. And then as bonus points, there were actually 3 vehicles camped on the other side, so I would have had someone to help me if something would have happened. So that's always a bonus. And I'm making a pretty good time, having fun. This has been driven quite a bit, so it's super easy going. Nice weather, not too cold, no rain, no snow. Visibility could be better, but hey, we always gotta find something to improve, right? camp. This is where I'll put the tent. And party's on. Lots of vehicles, lots of people everywhere. Got the tent set up. Got the diesel heater here underneath the tent going in here. So I should be all set for the night. That's the little diesel heater, the red thing there. And should be all good. That's gonna be yummy. Whole lamb on a spit roast. That's it. Big party. Lots of people. Good boy, Bo. Lots of vehicles. Good boy. Ooh, what is this? Tacoma on 40s. What is that portals? Well, Nick is busy saying something. I don't know. We're toasting for something, but all I know is that right there. Super pretty. Awesome. Well, this is the hole that they go swimming in. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that this time, but it sure is pretty here. Lots of people, however. Lots and lots of people. And that trailer with that huge chimney, that's a mobile sauna. So go in there and get super hot. Huge pot of soup. Super yummy. Everybody's sharing all the fixings. Yummy, yummy. That is one big pot. So, we got a sauna tent. What's the...
There's the temperature gauge.
That's how hot it is inside right now. 230 in here. Ooh. My glasses are completely fogged. Oh my god, it is hot in there. I cannot see anything. I'm gonna take my glasses off and wipe this. There we go. 230 in here. It is boiling hot. I'm dying. My coat's gonna melt. Okay, well, I'm in the sauna. It is snow outside. I'm in here. I guess you're supposed to wear this hat to keep your head from overheating. And that's the stove in here. And it is warm. 210 in here. That's cold. Well, we've been in a sauna, and now I'm trying to walk to the water. I don't know if I'll have the bravery to go in. It's the snow. My feet are already cold. Already cold. I don't know. It's raining. Should be a hole somewhere here. I think I see it. I don't know where the other guy went. Am I doing this by myself? I think so. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, here goes. Nothing. Oh my god. This is all very, very cold. Okay, okay. Not deep enough for a full submerge, but this is good enough. I cannot feel my feet already. Oh gosh. It's been 30 seconds or so. I'm supposed to stay 40. I don't know if I have 40 in me. I'll do 10 more seconds, or 13. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's enough for me for today. Can't feel my feet stumbling. It is midnight. I've had lots of fun. Sauna, cold dip, polar plunge, however you want to call it. Both snuggled in. We've got the diesel heater working. I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining. So we've got everything hanging in the tent, drying out. Because I was expecting snow, not rain. But with the diesel heater, it's nice dry heat. I'm actually sweating because it's pretty warm in here because I'm trying to dry everything. So should be dry. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Oh, this thing's interesting. It's got a blade, a big rack on the front, roof racks with lights, tracks, of course. It's fully closed, tinted windows, heated, hayseed. This thing's a monster. Water, fuel, more fuel, tons of shovels, roof racks, rear winch, front winch, tow receiver. Pretty cool. And I think the owners are sleeping inside. You don't see too many of these Nissans built. Winch, lights, lifted, rear bumper, super nice chainsaw mount, and the inside's pretty cool too. And this is what this Nissan brought all the way here. Pretty ballsy. And look at this Toyota. This is kind of an Aussie build with the Ute, I think they call it. Canopy? I don't know. I'm not sure. Pro Eagle jack on the back. Rear winch. Portals. Portal axles. On God knows what size. I think 40s, 42s, who knows. Big tires. Oh, almost bit it. It's icy this morning. Lights, winch, bumper. So many interesting rigs. Well, just another Gladiator. Rubicon on 40s. I mean, yeah, you see those everywhere. Oh, look. Mitsubishi Delica. I don't see that too many here, at least. Nice bumper, snorkel. That is another cool truck. Pretty big tires too. Turbo diesel made by Mitsubishi that will go 1,000,000 miles. Oh, what? Nissan? This is a Nissan, I think. Yeah, I spy portals. And as usual, I am making donuts. Yummy. Assembly line for breakfast. So I was packing, and Kevin was gracious enough to spoil me with breakfast. Thanks, Kevin. forecast says rain, so we left camp and we're headed to a cabin to seek shelter from the rain. It actually rained last night, but dried out this morning, but they're forecasting a lot more rain, so we'll see if we can get a cabin. We made it to the cabin. We got a nice fire going. It's nice and warm in here. We got wood. We got the diesel heater in case we get colder. And Kevin, the chef, is working on some chili and cornbread. So that's what's for lunch. Cheers. Are you ready, dog? So it's been raining, as you guys can tell by my glasses, all day long. I've been playing with Bo a little bit. That's the cabin from the outside. We've had quite a few visitors because everybody's been leaving camp because it's raining and stopping by to say hello. And we'll have 2 more people who came, visited, saw that there's room, and they're gonna come spend the night with us because they want to spend another day in this beautiful outdoor, snowy, rainy wonderland. We are roughing it with a movie. We just have the lights on so it's not as bright, but when it's dark, it's super cool. Well, it's dinner time, so Kevin is doing mashed potatoes, steaks. We got some potato salad. That's gonna be a good dinner. It's the next morning. We survived another night. It's nice and warm and dry. We're waking up, getting stuff organized, making breakfast, fires going. We'll head on out after breakfast. If you're lucky enough to use one of these spaces, cabins, we always like to leave it better than we found. So we cleaned everything. We left it more stocked with wood than it was. And we also left a present for the next people who come here. Hope they'll enjoy it. So Kevin went to 0 PSI. So we stopped and he's airing back up because he's got no air in the tire. That's what happens when you go low. Well, we've met another group. Looks like there's a Cybertruck in this mix, and they're stuck or something, not sure, so we'll go see. Looks like we're backing up. Kinetic recovery backwards. Or no, that's winching. Winching backwards, I think. And he's this is the first for me, Cybertruck on the trail. Looks like the Cybertruck's putting away the recovery rope. So I pulled aside so he can pass. He's wanting to go, so if you can pull aside, that's great. I might be dead in the water. out of most of the snow, so we're airing back up. It's been a fun, great trip. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.